Hey everyone, this is weather forecaster Liam here with the TRA weather severe thunderstorm update video as we have the chance for some severe weather in the southeastern portion of the United States tonight, overnight tonight, and into tomorrow morning, where hail, lightning, strong winds, and isolated tornadoes are all on the table. Though before we get to the future radar, TRA weather predictions, and Tor-Cons, I'm going to start out with a look at the National Weather Service hazards map focused on the southeastern portion of the United States, as we're everywhere else across the United States, not really much going on. Though we do have a tornado watch in effect, that's that yellow shaded color. That includes portions of northern Alabama, northeastern Mississippi, central and south central Tennessee. And in that yellow shaded color, those are the areas that have conditions that are favorable for producing tornadoes. And I'm expecting that to shift further to the south and eastward tonight into portions of central Mississippi, central Alabama, and eventually into portions of central and northern Georgia. Other areas under a watch or a warning, there's an area under a flash flood watch that includes portions of south central Tennessee and very northern Georgia and the very western tip of North Carolina, and also various flood warnings across the Mississippi River and the southeastern portion of the United States. So let's go to the future radar forecast from the NAM model for the southeastern portion of the United States. Going to start out tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where, man, we're having a lot of action. Though the most of the severe weather is going to be located over northern Alabama, central and northern Mississippi, and central and western Tennessee as of this time. It's going to make its way further eastward later on into the night and overnight tonight. Though places like Louisiana and Arkansas could see a severe thunderstorm or two, though I'm not really focused on those areas. Mainly the Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia area is going to see the most severe weather tonight and overnight tonight. So let's go forward to 9 p.m. Eastern time. That line of severe thunderstorms gets a little more organized, though possibly a few supercells ahead of that line of severe thunderstorms, though right now it's over central Tennessee, northern Alabama, and central and northern Mississippi. Forward again into midnight tonight, going on into Wednesday. That line is really intense at this time and getting even more organized. So thankfully, as it does get more organized, supercells will become less likely, and hopefully the tornado threat will lessen, though tornadoes are still definitely possible over western North and South Carolina, northern Georgia, and portions of Mississippi and Alabama. So the main line is over that northern Georgia, central Mississippi, and Alabama region as of this time. And later on tonight and overnight tonight, 3 a.m. Eastern time, very early Wednesday morning, that line continues to make its way further eastward, weakening a little as it does. Hopefully the severe threat will lower overnight tonight, though still a rumble of thunder, isolated tornado, and strong winds and hail are still possible at this time. So let's go forward to 7 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning. That line of severe thunderstorms really starts to weaken over the Carolinas, Georgia, and Mississippi. So hopefully by this time tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Eastern time, those places like Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, really no severe weather. Though North Carolina and also Virginia could be dealing with some moderate to heavy rain at times, though hopefully all the severe weather has worked its way on out and is now over the Atlantic Ocean. Let's go forward one more time for the southeastern United States. Now for the southeast, looks like all the rain has worked its way on out. Maybe a few isolated rain showers here and there, though now the rain is over the Atlantic Ocean and over portions of the mid-Atlantic. And that storm system actually gets very well organized as we go forward to 2 a.m. Eastern time Thursday, very late Wednesday night going into Thursday morning, where this storm system actually becomes a nor'easter. So thankfully it's going to stay well off the coast and really shouldn't affect any portions of the northeastern United States. Maybe some light rain showers into the Massachusetts, Rhode Island area, maybe some gusty winds, but that's the most you should see from this nor'easter, as it should stay mainly over the Atlantic Ocean, thankfully, as you see how intense that storm has gotten. So let's go over to your TRA weather predictions for tonight and overnight tonight for the eastern half of the United States, though most of the action is in the southeastern United States. So the area shaded in green is under a low risk for seeing severe thunderstorms. One major city is including that, and that's the city of Little Rock. Higher up into the medium risk area, the area shaded in yellow. One major city is also included in that, and that is the city of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now over to the high risk area, the area shaded in red. Portions of western North and South Carolina, northern Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and central and southern Tennessee. You are all under that red shaded area, which is the high risk for seeing severe thunderstorms tonight and overnight tonight. Two major cities are under that, and that is the city of Nashville, Tennessee, and Atlanta, Georgia. Now over to your TRA weather Tor-Cons again for tonight and overnight tonight. Thankfully, the Tor-Cons aren't very high, though we have Tor-Cons of 3 through 4 for much of those areas that were shaded in that red shaded color, the high risk area for western North and South Carolina, northern Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and also central and southern Tennessee. So here are your storm hazards tonight and overnight tonight. Lightning is at a risk level 4 out of 5 tonight. I'm expecting a lot of lightning with these storms tonight. And just below that is wind shear and hail at a risk level 3 out of 5 tonight. Though thankfully everything else is just at a risk level 2 out of 5. So good news to hear that. And those things include tornadoes, rain, flooding, wind, power outages, and CAPE. So the hazardous area is the southeastern portion of the United States, and the expected time is tonight, overnight tonight, and into Wednesday morning. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and share this with family and friends or whoever you would think that would enjoy watching TRA weather, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out the links listed below to both my Twitter and Instagram pages, and an invite link to my weather Discord channel. Thank you. See you next time.